Hello, so this is our demo for Meet and Eat application. Let's go to the URL, and first we are entering login page where we need to enter our email. Please note that already picture is updated and visible of the Gmail, it's synchronized. Our identity provider is Auth0, and all user management is done externally inside Auth0. And let's enter our dashboard. So we enter our main page, and we have this menu bar on the top. And when we click on dashboard, we see all upcoming events which are in the future. And the next functionality is also to show events in your office. In the bottom, there is some top venues for inspiration for our colleagues where to hold an event. Next, we can go to see all events in the main menu bar. It's loading. And Boomi backend is retrieving the list of all events which we have in the database. Here is the list. And we can click on subscribe button to see information about a particular event. So we see details with location, address, date, time, and the limit of people who can attend this event, and some description. So if you are good to go to this event, you can click on subscribe. And in a few seconds, you will receive a notification to your email. I'm using Gmail, so we are expecting the email from AnyShadeOfGreen team Gmail to arrive. Yep, here it is. See, you have successfully subscribed to the event Cooking Master on 18th October. Great. And next we can try the functionality to unsubscribe. We also will receive a new notification to email. Yes, here it is. You successfully unsubscribed from the event Cooking Master. Great. Next, what we'll try is a new event. By clicking on this, we are on this page to create our new event. So let's try create a new event. Example, name game night. Event type is game. Venue is Riga. Date will be 14, it's Friday. Time, let it be 18 o'clock. Some description. Let's play together. Office Riga, and event capacity 15. Yeah. Maybe event venue can be Riga, Brivibus, Notave 2014. Okay. And let's create event. And me as an author of the event, I will receive a notification to my email. Okay, so when we click create, it should be created, and let's check it in the events list. Let's go down. Day and night, Riga, 18 o'clock. So our next functionality, we have Citify data import into database, which is outside of this front end, which we have here. So let me open our Google Drive, where we have the Citify data folder, and inside it we expect to drop CSV file data. So before I proceed, let me tell you that Citify is a sensor-based seat management system developed by Baltic ATC. So it's the data which has employee ID inside, some data about the person, and the office, and the date when this colleague will be working on a particular seat. In our Boomi environment, we have in the Atom, we have this process, Citify data import to DB. It could be scheduled to run every, for example, 3 minutes, to import this data from this Google Drive to database. In our case, we can trigger it manually. Execute. It should be processing now. And the file is supposed to be moved from the folder, not allow read the data twice. So we just move to another folder. And here we see that the file was retrieved from Google Drive. And let me update one more time. Data should be in the database. Yes. You see connection, database Heroku, right? So it was successfully created in database. And our functionality suppose that the people who are in the list should receive also notification about suggested events on that particular date when they will be working from office. So we are triggering our file processing. This is the data inside. So for 14th October, we have 2 people who's going to sit in Riga office. We're expecting them to receive notifications with a suggestion to our event, which we previously created. Good. And we have an invitation. You're invited to subscribe to event at your office. And the file is removed. And inside the process reporting page, we see that send Gmail notification operations to Gmail. So we have deployed our API to the API management. We can see our API, which is a REST API. It would be easy to adopt it for another front end and to call Boomi integration backend. So these are our endpoints. This is the base URL, endpoints, with the methods to create event, delete event, get events, subscribe, unsubscribe from the event, also update event. This is one more endpoint which we have. And let me show you some backend integration which we built. Here on the left side, you see this is Meet and Eat, our folder with all components which we use to build our processes. And for example, to create event, we are listening to a web services server for the create event operation, which maps source data which comes in JSON format, and we are mapping it to the database profile. Also, we do some functions with date and time, which further will be used for the notification email. And here are the branches. First goes to write a new record in a database, then preparing email to the author of the event, and on the third step, we are retrieving all data from Citify table from database to prepare the notifications about the event suggestions. Yeah, here is this email for the people in Citify table. Yeah, you're invited to subscribe and attend new event on a particular date. Please go to Meet and Eat app to subscribe. Yes, and also we are updating a table about the sent notification. So the recipient won't receive many times the same notification. We are starting with the Accenture Baltics to use this service and intending to offer this service to Accenture Global as such. And after successful application launch, this could be a good business opportunity to offer to our customers.